Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Mowers. Good morning. Welcome to a holiday unboxing of Christmas gifts that I've gotten. These are from my friends over at HIPAA360.com. They send me some supplies that I have requested, the stuff that I may need moving forward along my channel. And as you guys know, I've been receiving regular shipments from these guys. Also, they've been reaching out to a lot of the Small Engine Nation YouTubers out there, as people that I know have been telling me that they've been getting requests if they would like some HIPAA 360 parts. So I am not greedy. So while HIPAA 360's website has tons of parts, so many different kinds of carburetor parts for different weed whackers, chainsaws, two-stroke stuff, you know, all different kinds and models. I'm not going to order those because I don't currently have a need for it. So I don't want to be greedy and just order one of everything, you know. I only order the things that I think I'll need, you know, such as what lawnmower engines do I get the most of? That's right, Briggs Quantum carburetors, right? So you have the auto choke ones and you have the regular ones that don't have the auto choke. The auto choke, I'll show you that in a minute, but this one doesn't have a choke, see? So this is the one for the primer bulb ones. You still get those, you know what I mean? I still get them. I get mostly auto chokes now, which is great because I hate the primer ones. But when you do get a primer one, you got to try to fix it, right? Having a brand new carburetor for that makes your job a lot easier. Instead of cleaning it, just replace it, you know what I mean? Comes with a gasket and an O-ring for the intake manifold. So I got a few of those. That's always handy, especially when you work on them so much, you know what I mean? I believe this is the same thing. And let's take a look at the other two boxes that were in that first package that I got. I actually got these in 2 separate days, but I knew they were coming. So, okay, now this one has 2 fuel filters. Gravity-fed fuel delivery system fuel filters. You don't really use these for lawnmowers so much. And I told HIPAA 360 that. I says you shouldn't have to include the fuel filters in the lawnmower carburetor because you don't really need these. These are for tractors, you know what I mean? So you should include these with the Walbro or Nicky 6 carbs for, you know, Briggs single-cylinder tractors. So this here is the auto choke kind. As you can see, the other side has a choke. It has this bracket for the air vane screw to go into, and also the lever that opens and closes the choke. See, so this one here is identical to that one, but it has these parts here for the choke mechanism. And again, I said you really don't need these fuel filters, but I'll keep these for, you know, my lawn tractors, you know. Also comes with the gasket and O-ring as well. So I got 2 of these, 2 of those, and you know, that'll fix at least 2 Briggs Quantum or 4 Briggs Quantum mowers. In my next box that I got the other day, I have 3 carburetors, and they come with a kit. So I have some new fuel lines here. 3 new fuel filters. Now, comment below right now. I'll give you 5 seconds. Let's see how many people get it right. What 3 carburetors did I just get? They're identical, the same. Identical!
Identical.
What air filter is this for? I got 3 of these, right? Come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Earth below us. Okay. This is a kit, so it's not just the carb. As you can see, it comes with the air filter, the fuel lines, and these are what I have been needing for a while. Fuel shutoffs. As you guys saw from my previous episode, getting my Blue Bayou unwinterized, de-winterized, whatever, ready for the winter. All right. my fuel valve shut off, spewing fuel all over the place. I replaced it with another one, still flying all over the place. And those are the other two I had. You know, I didn't have any more. I gave some away to some friends, whatever, and I used them. You know, I use these a lot, these fuel shutoffs. As you know, why do we use the fuel shutoffs? Well, it's so you can summarize or winterize your equipment for storage. So, you're mowing your lawn with your lawnmower. I'll try to make this quick. You know the winter's coming. You live in a region of the United States where it snows and it's summer and it snows, and it's winter and it snows, and it's summer and it doesn't snow. You know what I mean? So you're not going to use your lawnmower in the winter, so you got to store it for like the entire season, right? So when you store it with the entire season, what happens to your gas? That's right, the 10% ethanol in your unleaded gas gums up and clogs up your carburetor, and then you can't use it when you're ready to mow the lawn in the spring. So what you do is you put a fuel shutoff valve onto your mower, right? Lawn tractor, push mower, whatever you want. I don't see too many on a push mower because you could just run out the gas, you know what I mean? So that's what I do with the push mower, is that you just run it out of gas completely, so there's absolutely no gas left in the carburetor, so that it doesn't have a chance to gum up, and you could just put gas in it next spring and you pull it and it starts. Now, lawn tractors with much bigger gas tanks, you know what I mean? Sometimes you can't just run out an entire gas tank and it'll take forever, you know what I mean? So what you do is you put one of these fuel shutoffs on your gas line. When you're ready to store that machine for the winter, you turn it off, right? Start the engine, run the gas from the gas that's in the gas line and all that's in the carburetor. So now your carburetor is completely empty. You keep that off for the entire winter. Then in the spring, when you're ready to use your tractor again, you turn the valve on, the gas starts to flow, and you're ready to go. Gas was not in the carburetor, it won't give you a chance to, it won't give it a chance to gum up your carburetors, and you should be good to go. So these $1 or $2 items here can save you a lot of headache when it comes to storing your equipment for the seasons. Comes with fuel filters, of course the Tecumseh, I just gave it away. So this is a, that's right, it is a Tecumseh lawnmower carburetor. The one with the red primer bulb that always goes stiff and rigid if you leave it outside and you don't maintain it. But unfortunately, I do get these lawnmowers here and there, and the carburetor is always crap, you know what I mean? So you always have to replace it. So these things, they're not so expensive. They used to be like about $5 or $6 a piece on eBay or whatever, or Amazon, but now they're about $8, you know? But this is the entire kit. It comes with the carburetor itself, right? An extra primer bulb. These primer bulbs always go bad, so it's good that they have a primer bulb. It comes with a new spark plug, which you almost never change. I mean, honestly, people say, oh, change the spark plug. It's almost never the spark plug. How many times have you changed the spark plug? You know, how many times does the spark plug go bad? Honestly, 1 out of 10 or 20 machines that I work on actually needs a new spark plug. So it's very, I don't really find it very common that you got to change the spark plug, honestly, you know. Some more fuel shutoffs. That's awesome. Some hose clamps for the fuel lines you got, and a gasket for the carburetor. So this is like an all-in-one kit, a tune-up kit. Comes with the primer bulb, spark plug, fuel line, fuel shutoff, fuel filter. So it's a very useful kit, you know, and this kit I believe costs like $14 or something like that. But honestly, it has a lot of shit in it, so, you know, it's probably worth it, you know what I mean? So I just got 3 of those, you know, which is great. I could always use them, and definitely these fuel shutoffs, I appreciate it so much. I asked for them. I think they just threw them in here for better shipping and stuff. So thanks again, once again, to HIPAA 360 for sending me my supplies, because I do use these moving forward in my videos, and I'll always shout you out whenever I'm using a product that you sent me for a project. And I think that's what they want. They want all the YouTubers out there to get the parts from them and the supply, and that it gets their name out there in the United States, so that you can easily just say, oh, I'll go ahead and order some stuff off of you because as long as the price is good and the YouTubers vouch for the quality of the item, we'll order from HIPAA360.com. That's my video today of just unboxing another supply shipment from HIPAA360.com. I really appreciate their support of the channel, as well as helping us YouTubers out with some supply that we don't have to pay for, but we're happy to shout you out because we use them. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Boom.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.